This is a pre-calculus, so we want to discuss about coterminal angles. First, we're going to thinking about what is coterminal angles. Coterminal angle is two angles in the standard position with the same initial side, the same terminal side. We call coterminal angle. So here is an example here. Theta is 30, guys. Look at this one. Theta is 30. You can sketch it. Here is 30. This is 30. So how we gonna do the one revolution? You're gonna do the one revolution. What are you gonna see, guys? Let's just thinking about here is go here. Here is one revolution. It's go to the all the way one revolution. That's gonna be 360 and go to the one more time. So 30 plus 360, one revolution. That's gonna be 390. So we call 30 and 390 is coterminal because initial and terminal side is the same. So after one revolution, we got the 390, and this one is the coterminal to the 30s. Another one, you're gonna do two times. Here is the start point. We're gonna do two revolutions. One revolution is 360. Another revolution is you're gonna go one more time. Here is one revolution, two revolution, go to the 30. So you're gonna sketch here. That's gonna be 360 times 2 plus 30. That's the 720 plus 30. That's the 750. That's coterminal angle to the 30. Okay, this is the 750. Let's do negative side. Let's go here. You're gonna see here is 30. But now, initial terminal side, negative angle, this one, that's gonna be also coterminal angle. How can find it, guys? One revolution is 360. Okay, we going to opposite, so that's the negative plus 30. That's the negative 330. That's the another coterminal angle, guys. Always thinking about going to the positive direction, you're gonna add. Going to the negative direction, subtract. That's gonna find coterminal angle in the standard position. Another thing you remember, there's just so many coterminal angles. So that's another thing you remember about the coterminal angles. Let's practice with radian this time. So radian is one revolution is 2 pi. That's the one revolution. Here is a two revolution. Also, negative angle you have to subtract. Let's just sketch pi, theta is pi over 6. Here is pi over 6. One revolution, guys. That's the pi over 6. Gonna one revolution, you're gonna go pi over 6 plus 2 pi. So I'm gonna sketch it here now. You're gonna do one revolution. One revolution is 2 pi, go to the pi over 6. That's you sketch it. So this one is pi over 6 plus 2 pi. You times 6 times 6. Because here is 1 is numerator, that's 12 pi over 6, that's the 13 pi over 6. That's gonna be here, 13 pi over 6. Let's gonna do two revolution, meaning is pi over 6 plus 4 pi. So this meaning is pi over 6, denominator is 1 times 6 times 6, that's gonna be 24 pi over 6, that's 12 pi over 6. That's gonna be coterminal angle. Guys, make sense? How gonna sketch this one? You can sketch it, this one right here. One revolution, 2 pi. Second revolution is 4 pi. Going to the pi over 6 right there. That's the angle. Here is the 25 pi over 6. This time you're going to the negative direction, guys, okay? Here is a terminal, the initial side, terminal side, right? then we're gonna go this time opposite direction, this one. Okay, how can do that? Negative 2 pi, that's the negative angle, plus pi over 6. This gonna be negative pi over 6, same rule. Here is a 1, here is negative 12 pi over 6 plus pi over 6. That's gonna be negative 11 pi over 6. So you have here 11 pi over 6 negative. Everyone understand how can find the coterminal angle? Okay, let's practice. So I give the radian form for the angle measurement. Now we're gonna find coterminal angle, guys. Coterminal angle only 0 and 2 pi. What is mean by that? 0 and 2 pi meaning is one revolution. Everything is one revolution, right? So here is 13 pi over 6. Okay, look at this one. Let's talking about 2 pi. 2 pi gonna be one revolution. That's gonna be, let's check denominator 6. Here is a 1. 6 times 6. Here is a 6. 12 pi. So this one is bigger than 13 pi over 6, bigger than 2 pi. 2 pi gonna be 12 pi over 6. That meaning is this is more than one revolution. So how can find the coterminal this time, guys? So this one is bigger than 2 pi. So 13 pi over 6 minus 2 pi. Subtract one revolution. 13 pi over 6 minus 12 pi over 6, that's the pi over 6. That's the coterminal angle. So when you sketch it, that meaning is one revolution and coming back. So this one is gonna be 13 pi over 6. So this one is coterminal angle, only 0 and 2 pi, one revolution. So how about this one? Negative 2 pi is 3, here is negative. How can find the only angle 0 and 2 pi? You're gonna say this one, negative 2 pi over 6 plus 2 pi this time. That's the negative 2 pi over 3 plus 12 pi over, no, not 12, guys. What is denominator? 3, right? So 6 pi over 3, that's the 4 pi over 3. Where is 4 pi over 3? Let's check it, guys, here. Here is 4 pi over 3 is greater than pi, so you're going to sketch it. This one is 4 pi over 3. Another way, coterminal, this one is negative 2 pi over 3. That's you're going to find the coterminal angle. Yes, this one is we're gonna use degree to find the coterminal angle. So we want to find the coterminal only 0 and 360. That's the one revolution. Then you're gonna say 960. This bigger than 3060. 3060, one revolution. 720. Right? You're gonna do one more time. That's gonna be add 360 times 3. That's gonna be 108. But this one is less than 108. So two revolutions. So 960 minus 720, that's gonna be 240. That's the coterminal angle. How can you sketch it? How many revolutions? Two revolutions. 1, 2, then go to 240. 240 is going all the way here. That's going to be 960 degree. Guys, make sense? Also, coterminal is only check this one is coterminal angle is 240. Okay, makes sense? Okay, this one is negative angle for degree. So negative 225. We are looking for the angle is 0 and 360 this time. So you're going to say this one is negative 225. Add 360. That's you're gonna find it. That's the 135. So 135 negative 225 is coterminal, which meaning is initial side, terminal side the same, guys. Initial side, terminal side is same. You're gonna say this is a positive 135. Negative 225 gonna be the other side. Here is negative 225.